Suprabhat. Today we will discuss practical chemistry in BSc Part 2. In previous class we discussed preliminary tests. Preliminary tests are very important in the identification of the organic compounds. These are physical properties of the compounds, solubility in different solvent, effect of heat and ignition, melting and boiling point. Second point is element detection. The detection of element present in the organic compound is very essential. Hence, this must be performed with utmost care. The detection of an element forms the basis of the classification of the organic compound. All organic compounds contain carbon. They may contain one or more elements like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur and halogen. The presence of carbon and hydrogen in an organic compound is generally assumed. So this is about the detection of element and preliminary test. Today we will discuss class determination. The properties of an organic compound depends on the type of the functional group present in it. The functional group may be defined as an atom or group of atoms, which determines the chemical behavior of an organic compound. The detection of these groups is the most important part in the detection of organic compounds. Generally, the organic compounds have been divided in 7 types depending upon the element present. Type 1. Compounds containing carbon and hydrogen with or without oxygen. Type 2. Compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen with or without oxygen. Type 3. Compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and halogens with or without oxygen. Type 4. Compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and sulfur with or without nitrogen and oxygen. Type 5. Compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and halogens not as halide with or without oxygen. Type 6. Compounds containing nitrogen and sulfur not as sulfate. Type 7. Compounds containing nitrogen and halogen as halides and nitrogen and sulfur as sulfate. The compound must belong to one of these types. Success of the investigation depends upon the correct detection of the element. A brief description of all the functional groups which come under each type has been made here. First is about carboxylic group, that is COOH. The following test may be applied to test the presence of COOH group. First test is litmus test. Blue litmus paper turns red, confirms the presence of carboxylic group. Phenols also give this test. Second test is sodium bicarbonate test. To the dilute solution of NaHCO3, add a pinch of organic substance. Formation of brisk effervescence shows the presence of COOH group. The reaction is RCOOH plus NaHCO3. Third test is iodide test. This is a very sensitive test used for the detection of even a very weak carboxylic acids. Add 2 drops of 5% of Ki solution and 2 drops of 5% KiO3 solution to a small quantity of the compound in a boiling tube and cork. Place the boiling tube in a boiled water for 5 minutes. Cool the content and add few drops of freshly prepared starch solution. Blue color appeared, confirm the presence of carboxylic acid. The reaction is 6RCOOH plus 5Ki plus 3KiO3 gives 6RCOOK plus 3H2O plus 3H2. Liberates iodine, gives blue color with starch solution. Second is alcoholic group, that is OH. The first test of alcoholic group is cerulic ammonium nitrate test. Add a few drops of cerulic ammonium nitrate to the original compound or its aqueous solution. A red color appears. Confirms the presence of alcoholic group. The reaction is ROH NH4 whole twice CeNO3 whole 6 gives CeNO3 whole 4 ROH whole twice plus NH4NO3. Phenol and some aromatic amines also give a green-brown precipitate with this reagent. Second test is iodoform test. To the aqueous solution of alcohol, add iodine solution and dilute NaOH until the solution becomes pale yellow. Warm gently, a yellow PPT confirms the presence of alcohol. Take 1 ml of the substance in the dry test tube. Add a small piece of sodium. A brisk effervescence due to evolution of H2 takes place. Reaction is 2ROH plus 2Na gives 2RONA plus H2. Distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Add Lucas reagent 32 gram of anhydrous zinc chloride in 20 ml of concentrated HCl to the 2 ml of organic compound and shake well. Note the following observations. Separation of an insoluble layer of once. Tertiary alcohol. Appearance of cloudiness within 5 minutes. Secondary alcohol. If solution remains clear, primary alcohol. So, in this way, we can identify the class of the given organic compound. Thank you.